What's up, guys? DUPPER'S Garage. Gonna be doing, well, I already did the front loops. I'm show you guys how it came out, and then gonna be making a video of putting on the side skirts and like the little rear bumper splitters that they have. I mean, they kind of look cool. But, this is what front lips looking like. Got a nice little gap around it. Good little lip. I chose not to go out too far. I just wanted a clean little chin on it. Doing a little something with the grill. We got this little side skirt mocked up. Looks kind of cool. I don't know if it's really growing on me yet. We'll put it on and see. And then we got these rear ones I was gonna start mocking up. They go like this. Kind of stick out. I think that'll look cool. I had it mocked up somewhere right there. I think it'll give it a nice look. Yeah, try to keep you guys updated with it and see how it goes. We'll set you up now, and I'll start doing the rear bumper one. I'm gonna just tape everything off and get it all on. So let's get to it. So got her all mocked up. It's just some tape. Same with this one. This one's got tape in the jack. Probably send like 2 screws in, see where it sits, make sure it's good, and then continue. And so now we're gonna be putting some screws in. Oh, with these little black ones. I'm not very good at self-tapping, so might hear a couple motherfuckers out of me. Son of a bitches, you know, the normal when you work on a car. Already being gay. Right. Start off with like 4. Let's see what happens. Make sure I'm gonna hit the bumper. One down here. Right there. Okay. We'll do one right there. Doing focus doing here. Okay, let's go tape and see what happens. So looks like you're gonna have to screw a little more in, get this gap away. It's alright. Trying to get it in there more. Maybe like 2 more. Let's see. And we could do one right in the middle of those. Right there. One right there. That's fine, just not as good as what I want, but fix it up in a little bit. I'm gonna have to get that tucked up somehow. Not really liking that. I'm gonna figure that out. I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so I got everything on. I didn't film everything, sorry. Just kind of show you what it's looking like. So here's the rear. So I'm gonna take it out the wood blocks right now, kind of get a more on the ground look of it. So far, so good. Digging it. Now I gotta get a center one to kind of make it look alright. Match a little more, I guess. But yeah, it's looking good. Try to do a little side shot. Front definitely looks good. I'm digging the front hardcore. Came with the spacers too for the front, you know, and I ended up using them here to kind of keep the lip out, because without them, wants to tuck in. So I'm gonna try to find a way to mount those there. Probably just get some screws and screw it to the lip. And I like the little short poke out. I don't want too much poke out, so I'm definitely digging that. the side skirts. They're kind of iffy. Still trying to see if they're gonna grow on me. I'm sure once I lower the car and bring it out, might be able to see a little bit more what I'm feeling and what I'm not. I think I'm liking it. I'm gonna lower it and then we'll check it out. Alright guys, so I didn't film like anything else that I did. Yeah. Just started getting into it too, so I was just gonna give you a quick rundown of what happened. So, these little spacers right here, I'm using them to keep the lip out. My lady actually came up with the idea to 3M them there, so pretty good, nice and sturdy. Not going nowhere. Front lips on there, pretty good, nice and sturdy. Instead of doing the teeth on the top, I wanted to do like a underbite look, I guess. So went with that. The side skirts, they have like a little arch to them, which I'm not too fond of, but I mean, they don't look bad the more I keep looking at them. And then the rear ones, I do like the rear ones. I think it gives the car a nice little look to them. Nice little lip off the back, you know. Yeah, I think this kit's pretty sweet. Can't lie. Even though it's eBay, I think you just gotta know how to put shit on, you know what I'm saying? Little grill. And my little buck teeth. It came with those bars, like the little bars that, you know, I was thinking about putting them on, but I kind of don't like those, so I'll keep it off. Yeah. And then I ended up putting in a new crankcase elbow, the little one that comes off the crankcase to go up to your T and your PCV valve. I changed that out. I had a Euro parts one, but that one, as soon as I put it in, it was still leaking, so I ended up just switching that out and put like a cheapy one in, and I got way better vacuum than I did before with the other one, so I know that my seal, or that it sealed really good. I was at negative 20 vacuum, but now I'm at negative 22 vacuum, so pretty sure that it's sealed. Just gotta do a test drive in it. Do that another time. Just gonna park it for now, and maybe I'll film the next little drive in it. I don't know if I already mentioned it, but mention it again. Did the door handles and wrap. They're not the greatest, but I mean, you can't really tell. They're pretty smooth. Just little spots if you're really looking, you know. The keyhole though, you guys are gonna go wrap the keyhole. So no, that one's a pain. That one I didn't have fun with at all. But yeah, I think it came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Sucks coming into the garage. You can't really see too much from right here. But it does look good. Yeah. So I will catch you guys next time. Please like it and subscribe. Turn on notifications, comment. You know, I'm always answering comments. I love to like talking with you guys. So yeah, just hope you guys have a great day. Good weekend is coming up. Enjoy it. And we'll see you next time. Peace.